Good evening, everyone. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and we're going to now talk about the word cathode, okay? We already talked about anode, as you remember this little diagram from my previous video, and you can see the anode is down here with the negative, but the cathode is up here with the positive. Why? Because this has protons in it, okay? Now, for those of you who, I hope you watched my last video, you've heard about protons, you've heard about electrons, okay? They had an entire Nickelodeon show, and the main character in that had a name, and it was not proton, it was not electron. And hopefully you'll remember what the name of that was. But anyway, so, what's a cathode? Well, this cathode has protons, okay? Has protons. And these protons attract electrons. That's what they do. So, the anode sends a whole bunch of electrons to the cathode. Okay, but I presented you some etymology in my last video, so I'm going to go ahead and present you some etymology in this video as well. The word cathode is derived from the Greek word kata, which means to go down, and the word hodos, which means a specific path. When you have a non-rechargeable battery, the cathode of the battery receives the electrons when it's connected to a device that needs electricity. And it's this traveling of electrons from the anode to the cathode that provides electricity for your devices. Now, what about with rechargeable batteries? Well, we're going to have to talk about that in another video. So, I will tell you more in a future video, so I'd like for you to stay tuned.